Trichoderma humidity. It's a fungus that eats insects and other fungi. Now, one thing good about this fungus, this fungus produces mushrooms. You might have seen on the wood in the forest, brackets that become slightly brown color. This is a bracket fungus. It prevents other fungus, and this is color conscious. It will kill any fungus that is white in color. Okay. Called mycorrhiza. Myco means fungus, rhiza is roots. This is the fungus that goes into the roots, and if this tree has got roots till here, it will extend it to your building. The fungus spreads, connects to your root, so it is like your extension. For telephone, you have extension line. No? This is an extension line. So there is no water here, this spread, but there is a soak pit there. So from soak pit to bring the water here, to bring the nutrients here and delivery. So this is like your capillaries. Got holes on the side, bottom, the groove also over here. What is this for?
Epiphytes.
Orchids. This is an orchid. For orchids, you don't need to put soil. You can put bits of coconut husk, you can put tile bits, you can put brick bits, and you can put orchid. The roots will come out and hang. Big, fat, fleshy roots. And they will absorb the moisture from the air. And they will absorb the nutrients also which are in there. Roof tiles, Bangalore tiles, local tiles, anything, or you can put gravel. And when you put gravel, you should be rough, not smooth, and don't put flat tile bits. Here the concave surface, the one which has got a groove this way, should be over the hole so that there is a small gap between the hole and this, and water will drain sideways into that. If you put it this way, the hole will be closed, as good as not being there. Okay?